Well, the Model 3 is here. For some reason it's gutted. The door is gone, or the interior of the door is gone. Bumper's gone. The worst part is the front bumper's gone. And of course, the battery's dead. But on the front bumper is the hooks, not the hooks, the wires to pop the frunk. So right now I don't know how to get this open to get to the battery, to get it charging, to get the big charger charging. So it's in the harness of the front bumper, those wires. Been trying to find which of these feed power to it. I'm guessing it is the black and the red. I can't find a pin out. I'm sure someone will post one. We got it. It popped. So it is not the top left pin. It's actually the bottom left. See, the bottom left is also a thick red wire. So bottom left pin and top right, oh sorry, let me clarify. Bottom left positive, very top right ground, and she popped. Oh my goodness, what a headache. Yeah, so I had to use the 12 volt. I had these little wires hooked up to it, forced the power on, and we're in. So, quick recap. I'm missing the front bumper. Bought a wrecked car from Copart. Need to get the frunk open. This guy on the passenger side, red wire, bottom left, ground, top right. Pops your frunk. Good luck.